Well, I am really sorry. Sorry. Because I started um, one of the presentations and mine got stuck with a whole bunch of medicine on top where I had the my of course where I had my area where I have my talking, and I couldn't do it. So it was there, but it was all clibbery. So it's like, oh, okay, let's not try like this again. All right. So let's try to this again. Let's talk about, first the rain and what we go through, with our wheelchairs, whether it's the power wheelchair, whether it's the manual wheelchair, and all the things that we can break out, all the things that we could make the wrong things. And of course, in our people who also try to help us, to go through the streets and all that kind of stuff. And it's like, oh my gosh. So sometimes it's not. It's just not worth it. Sometimes you have to just go see some coffee or something with somebody, but not to go into the streets for this. So, and that's kind of the thing. So to do. And there's people out there that are trying to, oh, there, we'll fix you. And it's like, no. So, they just don't know how they're supposed to do it, they can sometimes they can help you a little bit, but so this is rain, okay? So think about the water and how many times do you want to do this? And go back to some coffee somewhere with somebody instead of getting stuck in the streets. All right. So let's go to the snow. And with the snow, right now I have a whole bunch of places where they've tried to clean all the snow, and hopefully I'll be able to move and go through all the way through to go see to the church that's nearby. So we'll see what happens. And maybe not. So I'll have to see if that's not going to work. But it is very slippy, in my place. The 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 place, you can start coming in and then so of course the more guys who are working around here and they see me and they say, no, don't go there, don't do that, because they can see me into the street, I guess. So, there's just ideas that are not very good, but I always see, if there's something that will work, and I'll try to get out to the the street and just kind of walk through to Carverly with my power wheelchair over to go see the church. But we'll see what happens. Um, so you have to figure out how much snow is, and if you feel like you can work through it, or if there's a person who's going to help you, push through this and it'll work. We'll see how it goes. Um, it just all depends. It really, really depends for the snow and how you're going to, put some good snow, some snow shoes and snow this and snow hat and snow, everything to be able to go and to make sure you're taking care of the power wheelchair, especially, and the manual wheelchair. Now, so we'll see how it goes. And supposedly my manual wheelchair is coming today. I don't know, but I'm not going to worry about that. So, anyway, snow. Think about it. If, especially in this now in the snow way in the south here in the United States, it's a mess. So sometimes it's just better stay home. Just don't stay home. So you have to make some changes and to take yourself that it's really gonna work. So and it's it's gonna really work. And that's my question for any weather. So you got to think about the rain, the snow, and now we're going to think about the sun and how hot is it going to be there, and how is it going to pick your health, and you got to think about your wheelchair, what type of wheelchair, and if you're going to be able to handle the heat to be able to go to a doctor's house, or to go to the clinic, or to go to the university, or to go to, let's say, to a friend's place, or you just never know. Or if you have the ability to use a van, that's awesome. Awesome, but you got to be careful also how much is and the driving. So what's going to be worth it one way or the other. The other things are the people, what they decide for you outside, and all of a sudden that they're going to go with you and they're going to fix you to take you through the streets. It's like, no, wait a minute, because you don't know what holes are out there, or what, potholes, or anything could happen with your manual wheelchairs or your power wheelchairs. So, and sometimes people don't think about that, and so then you're you're stuck again. So you always have to make your decisions on how you're going to let somebody come through with you, or if you just say no, I'll do this on my own, thank you. So sometimes that might happen. So you got to decide with the heat, with the snow, and the rain. And so these are really ideas that I have put out there before, but already I know the the street, and how to cross the street, and how it's gonna work, how this is gonna go. And even when I go to the clinic, I have to figure out, okay, is the nurse going to take me in the car, or if I'm going to take the van and then get through to get through the people, to get through, to the clinic. So it's just one of those things. Now, sometimes the driver for the van will sometimes will walk with me all the way through for me to get to the clinic. So that sometimes is a huge help, and help me and gets me all the way through, so I don't get run over run over completely by somebody by another car. So usually, usually I have that a hope. I hope that the car and or the van is going to help me to get through. So, with my wheelchair. Now, there's also my manual wheelchair, which happen might not happen. So, that is another possible idea of a manual wheelchair instead of a power wheelchair. So see how it goes, and the people and how they decide how they're going to help with you, and what you're going to decide that it's not a good idea. So I just wanted to give these ideas that think you got to think about how you do these things, and you got to think your manual wheelchair, your power wheelchair, how you're dressed, and how it's going to work, and you're going to stay with your health. You got to think of that. And I had one of these that I was putting this thing, and I messed up the whole presentation. So it's just, I was even my power wheelchair still. So it's just those little things that happen to you. So you can make chin, you know, changes that will help or not. So those are just those little things that I wanted to present for you for this one. You gotta think of the rain, snow, uh, with the sun, and all the people and what they're going to do or not for you. So those are things to think about. Just think about and make a plan that will help to when you're going out, when you're coming back. All right. Well, think of those things, and hopefully this will work for my presentation here before before mix up everything. All right, take care, and I hope to see you all soon as a foon because there were some other things that I couldn't do, and it's going to have to stay here without a special presentation after this. So I can't do it. It's all going to stay here. All right, so I will see you all very soon. Take care. Remember, my name is Lisa, and a like would be great for all of us and for me. Take care. Bye-bye.